Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I have the green machine here. I'm going to fix the SRS code. Got the computer removed, the battery disconnected, the computer apart, and I'm going to go ahead and solder the diode in there. I also have this vent off. I got one from the salvage yard. I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to fix this vacuum under here as soon as the engine gets cool enough, which it should be in about 5 minutes. So let us go back here and show you the diode on the computer, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back together real quick. Alright, I got this intake tube installed, this back up, battery connected. I had to fix the vacuum line down there that was torn open. I'm going to do another glove test. I'm going to check the coolant reservoir, make sure it gets a low light, and get this car back to her before she gets off work in 15 minutes. Okay, now that I fixed that vacuum line, the glove is no longer blowing up, actually trying to suck in a little bit, so I'm good to go on the PCV. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.